In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Canva in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where you want this integration to be set up. This is important because integrations are often configured at the account level, so you want to make sure you're in the right place before making any changes. Once you're in Gohighlevel, look over to the left-hand side panel. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for the platform. If your menu is collapsed, you may need to expand it so you can clearly see all of the available options. From that left side menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage account preferences, connected tools, and other configuration options. If you're ever unsure where integrations are located, Settings is usually the first place to check. After you enter Settings, stay on the left-hand side and click on Integrations. This section is where Gohighlevel lists available apps and services you can connect to your account. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a little to find it, but it should be visible in the Settings menu. Once you're in the Integrations area, look for Canva. You may see multiple integration options on the page, so take a moment to scan through them carefully. If there's a search bar available, you can use that to speed things up and find Canva more quickly. When you find Canva, click on Manage. This opens the setup page for that specific integration and gives you access to the connection options. If you don't immediately see the next action, just give the page a second to load fully. On the Canva integration page, click on Install. This is the step that begins the actual connection process between Canva and Gohighlevel. After selecting Install, you may be prompted to approve permissions or confirm access. Depending on how your Canva account is set up, just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection. And that's it. Once the installation is complete, Canva should be connected inside Gohighlevel and ready to use. If something doesn't work right away, refresh the page and double check that the integration shows as installed. A quick reload can often help confirm that everything was connected successfully. That's how to connect Canva in Gohighlevel.